Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So we're doing a really understated look today with the Huda Nude palette. So yesterday I came on camera and said that I'd signed up with an agency because I'm looking for work. I'd gone all the way up there, spent a fortune on bus fare, which is neither here nor there. You've got to spend money to find work, so that's fine. So I went into the agency. They said to me, as I was leaving, after I'd filled in all the paperwork, "Oh, have you got safety boots?" Well, wouldn't it have been more appropriate to tell me before I went there? Because if they would have said, "Have you got safety boots?" before I went in there, I would have said, "I'm really sorry, but I don't have them." I've seen a pair online and they're not really expensive. They're £40. So I was thinking, well, if I get a start date, I'll just order them. But that would have pushed the start date back 2 days anyway, just purely because it takes 2 days to get them to me. So that was that. So the agent just said, right, I'll get in contact with the company and I'll ring you back straight away. So that was at 11 o'clock this morning. What time are we on? 5 p.m. practically. It's 5 to 5. So yeah, so that was that. And I just thought, I'm not wasting any more time with this company. They were really starting to get to me. They weren't being professional. He was messaging me through text message rather than calling me on the telephone, which I don't like from a company. At the end of the day, they should ring you and tell you what's what. So I didn't really like that. He's still not contacted me to let me know what's going on. And I know that they close at 5 o'clock, so he's not going to ring me today. Okay, so what I did is I found another job that was really interesting. And it's working nights, well, early mornings I would say. So the start time's at 1 a.m. till 8 a.m. I'm only working 7 hours, but they pay 8. It's also £4 an hour more than what I was going to get in the previous job, so it's more money. That's probably because of like night shift allowance. I used to work a night shift job before. I used to work 12 hours though, and they'd give you a night shift allowance. Anyway, I spoke to the agent, who was much nicer, who didn't even need me to go into the office. All he basically needed is my full name, address. He also needed my next of kin, my bank details. I'm just hoping I'm not going to get emergency taxed. I don't have a P45, so I've asked him to ask payroll if they can fill in a P46 for me. He says it's all done electronically now, so that's gonna get sorted hopefully, and I shouldn't get emergency tax too much. It's weekly pay because it's working with the agency, so I'll work 13 weeks with the agency, and then all being well I'll go on to full-time with the actual company. So it's working in a warehouse again. That's just the kind of work that I want at the moment. I don't want anything too challenging, and hopefully this won't be too challenging. So yeah, there is that, and I'm starting today, guys. Well, effectively it'll be tomorrow at 1 a.m. So I just thought, I don't know what. Now, the agent didn't tell me that I couldn't wear makeup. I've done my makeup really light. So yeah, I've just put a little bit of foundation on. I've put a blush. I put blush on. Let me just put a tiny bit of this cream blush on. I really like these. This one is the Fresh Face Cheek and Lip Tint. So you can use it for a lip tint as well. It has aronia berry in it, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. And yeah, it's just really nice. So if you're wondering how much do you get in it, does it say? No, I don't think it does. Oh wait, net weight 0.34 fluid ounces or 10 mils, which is quite good. I think it was only like £5, so it's really good for the price. So I put some of that on, put a bit of highlighter on from my, I might as well just show you everything I've got on. So the highlighter I'm wearing is from this palette, and it's this one here. It's called Glimmer. So that's the shade there. Just like a a gold shade, so it's that one there. So I thought I'd just do some simple makeup with the Huda Beauty Nude Light, just in case you're not supposed to be wearing makeup. So I just wanted to do a really simple eye today, but I thought I would do it with you guys and chat about the situation as it is. So yeah, I am starting work today. It is amazing what you can do when you start looking for temporary work. You can be in a job within days. I should have done this months ago. I was saying that to my mum earlier. Now I don't think they're too happy, my family, get this mirror. I don't think my family are too happy about the fact that I'm working early mornings and I'll be walking to the place of work, because obviously buses stop running at about, I think, 11, half 11. Possibly they still run at 12. But the thing is, where I'm walking, it's like a really busy road. Nothing's going to happen to me. And I walk back from my mum's all the time at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock even, and I've been fine. So I appreciate the worry and everything, but I will be okay. I know I will be. You know, if I thought that my safety was at risk, I wouldn't take the job. But yeah, I'm really happy to be going back to work. I just wish that other company hadn't messed me about. You know, there's no need to be messing people about like that. But that's what agencies do, isn't it? You know, it's about what suits them. But like, the impression I was getting is he just didn't want to work for his money. I mean, he'll get a commission. If he puts me in work, he'll get a commission. And now I've signed on with someone else, that guy's going to get the commission. It's his own fault. You know, I would have gone to work for, it was basically in a cheese factory. I would have gone to work there, but I was kind of dreading working there a little bit, to be honest. So I'm glad that I don't have to do that, but I would have gone to make some money and to get back out to work, but I don't need to do that now. When they ring me up, they'll have a nasty surprise, because I'll just say, look, you know, I feel like you've messed me about a little bit. You said you was calling me back twice and you just didn't bother. So it's their own fault, isn't it? Right, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here. So the lightest shade in the palette. So I kind of want to do a no makeup look. I've not got bronzer on. So we're kind of just going to run a couple of mattes through the eyes and a shimmer on the lid. And hopefully it'll be alright. Now, they'll pull me to the side if they don't like makeup. And then I'm going to go in with, I'll go in with a shade, it's just a little bit deeper. And I'm not going to put anything on the lash line. That makes it too obvious that you're using eyeshadow, doesn't it? I just feel better with makeup on. I don't think it's going to be a problem, guys, because it's a distribution centre, so it's just packing, and I can't see that be a problem having makeup on, because it's not really going to go, it's not like they're doing food, cooking food, so it's not going to be infecting the food. So I think that's the only reason I couldn't wear makeup working for the dairy place. Yeah, that's enough. And I was saying to my friend, oh, I can't wear makeup, what am I going to do? It's not the end of the world, it just meant I could only wear makeup at the weekend. Trying to find my brush. I might use this Anastasia one, this side of it. Right, so now we're going to go in with this like peachy gold shade, which I absolutely love. I bought this palette for that shade. It's quite pigmented. I'm just going to put a light wash of colour because it is quite pigmented. Not going to be spraying it. You can definitely tell I've got eyeshadow on. So like that. It's beautiful. Normally I'd go in and spray it and everything, but I don't know if they will like the fact that I'm wearing makeup in the first place. If they don't, I don't think they'd pull me to one side. I think they'd contact the agent and I'll soon know about it. Right, so I'm going to go in with Essence of False Lashes now. Oh, that's pretty. Why is it eye makeup always looks better when the mascara's down? I just need to go over it a little bit because I think some's gone on the lid. This is a beautiful everyday look. I really like it. It just looks like, in my opinion, like a no makeup look. I'm looking really dewy. I like the way it's looking. So I think we're done with the palette for today. What else? Oh, actually no, I want to just put a little bit of that cream ivory shade on the brow bone. Okay, and then I'm just gonna grab a lipstick. Right, again, I want to keep it pretty simple, so I'm just gonna go in with a Tinkerbell lipstick. Well, glossy lip. By the time I have to go, I mean, like I said, it's only 5 o'clock, 10 past 5 nearly. So that's literally took, what, 10 minutes for me to do, and I was talking in between as well. It's a really simple look. So once you've got your base makeup, you can do that in like 5-10 minutes. 5 minutes if you're not talking. So yeah, it's really good. I need to take this lip oil off. So with these glossy lip stains or glossy lip tints, whatever they're called, the gloss doesn't last that long, and then it just leaves a really nice like stain on your lips. So it looks like that. You've seen it before if you watch my channel a lot, and even if you don't, you probably would have seen it on the Colourpop website. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit on. It's a beautiful colour though, guys. Absolutely stunning. Right guys, so this is my kind of back to work look. So I've not worked now in 3.5 years. I'm really looking forward to going back to work. A few of you have said that you've noticed a shift in my appearance, that I seem much happier. I am much happier. My problems have not gone away. I'm still having troubles with sleeping, and that's why I think this is a perfect job for me, because I don't sleep in the evening anyway. All I do is I'll either film or I'll either watch you guys on YouTube if you've got channels, because I really do like to support you. But if I can be making money, and good money at that, then it stands to reason to come off universal credit and just make as much money as I can. I do want to travel some more, probably next year. I'm always joking that I'll go to Australia to visit Lisa, and I've got a friend in Australia as well, so I'm always joking about that, but maybe it could come a reality, you know, if I stay on with the company. But I'm just gonna take one day at a time and just see, obviously, if I like it there and they like me. But yeah, I mean, I think I'm going to be there for at least 13 weeks, so around Christmas time I would say. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. This is what we're looking like. I hope it's not too much. It doesn't look too much to me. Obviously you can tell I've got a little bit of eye makeup on. I mean, I can always wash it off if they don't like it, you know, it's no big deal. But this is what we're looking like at the moment. I'm not going to work for... I'll need to set off in 5.5 hours. So I will be having a nap because I didn't get much sleep last night. I'll probably get up around 10:30, make something to eat, and then head off about 12:30, because it is literally 14 minutes away from where I live. It's a straight, like I said, it's on a straight road, and there's cars going up and down there all the time, so no one would dare kind of try anything on when, you know, when there's so many passing cars like that. So guys, we're going to leave it here. I'm just going to do a quick swatch party of this in the next video. So it's the Wet n Wild Colour Icon in Call Me Sunshine. I've already swatched, you'll be able to see it, I've already swatched a couple of these colours. This one here has got no pigment whatsoever, so I'm quite disappointed with that, but I got it for this shade here, and then these more bronzy ones down here, so I'm not really too fussed. But I do, in the video, I do need to get a brush on that, because it already looks like it's got hard pan on it. So yeah, we'll be doing that next. Thank you for watching today guys, I really do appreciate it. Let me know what you think of the overall look. It would mean so much to me. Send out though, it's really going to feel like a long shift tonight probably, because I haven't worked for a while, and it's quite heavy lifting as well, but that'll just keep me fit. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please like, share, comment, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and notifications bell. I'm currently working on a giveaway, and that will go up in the next few weeks, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.